In this video, I'll tell you what a LayerZero blockchain is and why it's important, also how bridging works and why this is all necessary for the future of crypto, but also for the development of our economic system. Now, this might sound kind of boring, but it's actually a really big deal and has some of the best opportunities in crypto. But first, I want to thank MEXC and BYBIT for making these videos possible. They have provided some great sign-up and deposit bonuses, links down below. So what is a LayerZero blockchain? It can be compared to the foundation of a building, providing a strong and stable infrastructure for the entire blockchain network. To maximize this performance, new LayerZero blockchains employ cutting-edge methods, including parallel processing, sharding, and newly developed consensus algos. This is where the LayerZero blockchain, called LayerZero, comes into the picture. Now, who is the team behind LayerZero? LayerZero Labs, based in Vancouver, develop LayerZero protocols to enable omni-chain decentralized applications across multiple blockchains. The company was co-founded in 2021 by Brian Pellegrino, Ryan Sarek, and Caleb Bannister. In order to understand the true value of LayerZero, let's talk about interoperability and what's really going on. Different blockchains are like different pathways, but what if you want to send a token from blockchain A to blockchain B? You have to use bridges, and they're kind of like translators to make sure that the blockchains can understand and work together. But since all blockchains have different rules, fees, scalability, it makes bridging quite complex, expensive, and sometimes even slow. Now let's talk about the four main key issues of bridging. First up, we have scalability. Blockchain networks have limited transaction capacity, and connecting multiple networks can strain scalability. Next up, we have consensus mechanisms. Different networks use different versions of this, making consensus across multiple networks complex and time-consuming. Third, we have smart contract compatibility. Smart contracts on one blockchain may not be directly compatible with another, hindering seamless execution and data sharing. And the big one, security risks. Interoperability introduces new vulnerabilities and weaknesses. For example, one network can compromise the security of interconnected networks. Over $2 billion was stolen in bridge hacks in 2022 alone. And in 2021, the Poly network was hacked for over $600 million. It was a massive hack, leading to not only a loss for trust of bridges, but also a massive opportunity for those that want to build a better bridging solution. So here is LayerZero solution to interoperability and bridging. Think of each blockchain, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., as a separate city, each with its own set of rules, languages, and system. Right now, these cities have a hard time talking to each other. It's kind of like they're surrounded by big walls. So the main issue here with bridging is just that you have to connect every city, every little island with each other and have so many bridges connecting everything. And if there is not a direct connection between two cities or islands, you might have to bridge multiple times, and it's going to be really, really messy. So the LayerZero blockchain solution is like creating a super highway or mega airport that connects all these cities or islands. Now, does LayerZero have a token? At the moment, LayerZero doesn't have a token yet, but there are indications that they will soon launch a token called CRO, although the token does not have a launch date yet. How to get the LayerZero CRO airdrop? LayerZero have already announced a potential airdrop pending the release of their token. To qualify for the airdrop, here are the things you need to do. You need to stake and vote STG on Stargate Finance. Interact with Stargate Bridge on LayerZero. Use the USDC LayerZero Bridge. Interact with other dApps on LayerZero. Get roles on the Stargate Guild. Right now, we don't know all the information about the airdrop, but you should stay tuned on their Twitter and on their website. Basically, stick to the official channels when it comes to airdrops, or you might end up getting scammed, so be careful. Now, here are some quick mentions on some LayerZero related projects with a lot of potential. Talking about the first application built on LayerZero, we have Stargate Finance, which is heavily invested in by Binance Labs. It currently has a market cap of over $100 million and a circulating supply of 200 million STG tokens. Hashflow is another budding project from LayerZero. It's a decentralized exchange protocol that supports multiple blockchain platforms and provides an efficient mechanism for swapping between different tokens. Now, I covered what Hashflow was in the previous video, going through all the new passive income opportunities. is. More so, Hashflow is already one of the most promising projects in the market right now. Currently with a market cap of $70 million and a circulating supply of roughly 200 million Hashflow tokens. So to the conclusion, we need to be where the development is happening. I know some of you are here for the tech and some of you are here to make money, but we can do both. We need to learn as much as possible. It's only with knowledge we will be able to make the right decision. Now that's pretty much it for this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'll continue on making videos like this covering more opportunities in crypto, more projects and so on. Stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.